you waiting? What are you waiting for?
Hi, welcome to NAB 2012 here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada with ProductionMeeting.com. There's two groups of people here, the people who make the gear and the people who want the gear. Let's go get ready.
What are you waiting for?
ProductionMeeting.com, NAB 2012. We're here with Dan at BlackMagic, and Dan was going to give us a little spiel on the new camera that just came out.
Yeah, no problem. We're really excited to be able to show this new camera. What we wanted to do is we wanted to create an acquisition device that really was kind of, first and foremost, talking about workflow, and we wanted to create an openness that we haven't seen out there before. So the great thing with this device is it records to multiple different formats. We can record Cinema DNG, RAW, 12-bit, ProRes, or GNX HD. So there's a lot of flexibility there for people out there to do their post-production workflows. We also wanted to kind of have a film-like feel to this camera. There's also great video cameras out there, but we wanted to have a great film kind of feel to this camera. So we knew we wanted to have a higher than HD resolution. So it's a 2.5K sensor that we're using, which is great for the Cinema DNG RAW. It's got a high dynamic bit rate. It's got, or bit depth I should say, getting late in the day. It's also got 13 stops on the camera, so it's got all these great film-like quality bits to it. We also really wanted to add the really high-tech features to it as well. So it's got a Thunderbolt output on there, so you can capture directly off a Thunderbolt. It comes with our DaVinci Resolve, so you can do color grading on there. It comes with our Ultra Scope, so you can do scopes out the Thunderbolt. The whole thing's milled aluminum. It's got a touchscreen on the back for all the controls. It's EF and ZF compatible. It's really a camera that is, it's an aspirational acquired for someone that's moving into video, but it's like the camera that the cinematographer buys versus rents. You know, there's a lot of guys that can go out there and rent cameras that one weekend a month to do, but if they wanted a camera that they're going to keep forever and do actual their own, like this is that camera. And the price point on it, it's $2,995, so that makes it very accessible to a large amount of people out there. So we're really excited about it. We've gotten tremendous response all day, and it's really been great so far.
Yeah, and let's not forget to mention that there's DaVinci that comes with it, which is a $1,000 program all day long.
That's a $1,000 application.
Almost like you get the camera for $2,000.
It's almost like you still need to buy, it does record solid state discs because we need that high data rate. You still need lenses, but these are things that are, you know, purchases that every camera or device in this nature is going to require some amount of purchasing as well. So we really, it's a way for us to be able to tie in all this technology that we have. It has our HyperDeck technology, it has our DaVinci technology, it has our scope technology. It's using our miniaturization that we've used on our products. It's using the industrial design we've seen on our products to really create this kind of, it's an amazing product because it's really tied into so many different departments at BlackMagic and pulled it all together in this one amazing product. So it's been a lot of effort to get here, and we're so glad to see that people are, you know, really positive on it so far.
Yeah, I mean, look at the line, right?
It's going well so far.
Awesome. So is there anything else? I mean, I know this may overshadow some other...
Yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of other great things. We actually have a new version of Resolve 9. It's a much faster interface that we're using now. It's got a couple other features like log grading and some audio features. We've done some updates on our ATEMs and software. We've created a new Thunderbolt product. I guess the other really big hardware product we acquired a company called Teranex last year. Teranex has been, you know, really famous and well known for their up-down cross conversions. And what we really wanted to do is we wanted to do a very similar thing we've done with other, you know, markets that we've moved into. We wanted to make it something accessible, so we basically made a single channel version of their, you know, conversion product for $2,000. So now you have this beautiful Teranex up-down cross converter, one channel for $2,000, and then we made a 3D version for $4,000. So again, you know, this great product that has all that technology, everything that Teranex is known for, but really, you know, using that BlackMagic branding and buying power and everything else we can put behind it to make these great, affordable products.
That's great. Is there anything else you might want to?
I mean, I think the big thing that we want to make sure people understand is that we're obviously creating these products for them. You know, I think people they see that we've obviously grown a lot and that, you know, we're building these amazing things, but we really are building these products for them. And when people think like, wow, these guys are so, it's because we want to buy these products ourselves. So I think think people should know that we're really passionate about what we're doing, you know, and it's not about us just making a cool product to make a cool product. It's because we really are that passionate about this industry.
Because y'all need the product.
Because we need and want the product ourselves.
Right.
My name is Dan May, D-A-N-M-A-Y, and I'm the president of BlackMagic Design USA.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Dan.
Cool.
Yeah.
Why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Stop hesitating. Wander away from shore. Jump in the mainstream. Come on the water's wall. Why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? How are you doing? Now that you're moving on. Now that you're moving, do you really know how to stop? What are you thinking? What are you thinking of? Swimming or sinking on the brink of a wall.